question is question number 9. Question number 9. A uniform meter rule balances horizontally on a knife is placed at the 58 centimeter mark when a weight of 20 GF is suspended from one end. Draw the diagram of the arrangement. What is the weight of the rule? So number 1, we need to draw the diagram of the arrangement. Meter rule means it is the rule which has 100 centimeter length. You need to remember this. Okay. It is balanced at what centimeter? 58 centimeter. So draw the fulcrum like this and write above it 50. And then 20 GF is suspended from one end. One end, how much? 28 GF is suspended. So 20 GF is suspended. What is the weight of the rule is asked. So you need to remember, students, that the weight of the rule is always exerted at its midpoint. Midpoint means at 50 centimeter. Okay, mark here 50 centimeter. Okay, mark here 50 centimeter and then hang the weight of the rule. Okay, so this is 0 mark. Okay, this is 100 mark. Okay, 100 mark. Now we need to find the weight of the meter rule. Now see, due to the weight of the meter rule, okay, the rule will rotate from which direction? In which direction? Right to left, means anti-clockwise direction. And due to this weight 20 GF, okay, it will rotate in which direction? It will rotate in which direction? From left to right. Okay. So weight of the rule is producing what type of moment? Anti-clockwise moment. And 20 GF is producing what type of moment? Clockwise moment. Okay. So what we'll do here is that we can write here, and it is already given at balance. Yes or no? They are already balanced at 58. So it is at equilibrium. So I can write here at equilibrium. At equilibrium, according to principle of moment. Okay, according to principle of moment, at equilibrium, what happens? Sum of anti-clockwise moment, that is anti-clockwise moment is equal to clockwise moment. Okay, anti-clockwise means, now what is the force here? W into an axis of rotation is 58. Yes or no? At 58. So the distance between them will be how much? 58. 50 to 58 it is 8 centimeter. And then from here to here it is how much? 42 centimeter. So W into how much? 8 will be the moment, anti-clockwise moment, and 20 force. 20 into 42 will be the clockwise moment. So both them should be equal. So W will be equal to 20 into 42. Okay, whole divided by 8. Okay, now by 8. 4 to the 8. 4 5 the 20. Then 2 to the 4. 2 1 the 2. So it is coming equal to how much? 5 1 the 5. 5 to the 10. 105 GF is the answer. Okay, so this is how you are supposed to do. Thank you. Now let's do question number 12. Question number 12. Here it is given, when a boy weighing 20 kg sits at one end of a 4 meter long seesaw, it gets depressed at this end. Okay, how can it be brought to the horizontal position by a man weighing 40 kg? Seesaw, let me make seesaw. Suppose fulcrum is here, and then when a boy weighing 20 kg sits at one end means suppose at this end the boy is sitting, okay, its weight is 20 kgf, 20 kgf, and the seesaw length, total length is 4 meter, 4 meter, okay, and fulcrum is always situated in the middle, so that is why from here to here the distance will be 2 meter. So this is the common sense which we can apply here. And the other end where now where the boy should be, okay, where a man weighing 40 kg should be placed. Suppose let me place him here whose weight is 40 kg, and from here to here suppose the distance is x, okay. Now due to these 20 seesaw is depressing in which direction? Anti-clockwise direction, okay, that is from right to left, right to left, okay, anti-clockwise direction, and due to this clockwise, that is from left to right, okay. So I can write here according to principle of moment, okay, at equilibrium we know anti-clockwise moment is equal to clockwise moment, or you can write clockwise moment the sum of clockwise moment is equal to anti-clockwise moment anti-clockwise moment. So we can write here clockwise moment is 40 into x and anti-clockwise is 20 into 2. So x will be equal to how much? 20 into 2, 20 into 2 divided by 40. So 20 goes 40 for 2 times, 2 goes 2 for 1 time. So answer is coming 1 meter. Okay, so that means man must be sitting on the other side at a distance 1 meter from the point of support. Okay, so this is how you can do. Question number 12 completed. Now after that one more question I'll do, students. Okay, let me do question number 16.